Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all. Keep going up when I'm watching you fall. You really not hard, you niggas just soft. I made my own calls, I don't got a boss. Your Bentley is rented, can't handle the cost. A lot on my plate, I just can't take a loss. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the hoe. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the...
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. I'm back on another video, yes sir. Today, man, we got an in-hand review in our own feet of the Nike Dunk Low Graffiti joints. I picked this pair up about a week ago, you know what I'm saying? I know I'm late, you know what I'm saying? Boy, you been busy, but I want to get this review out because I did a lace swap. They come with black laces, they cool, you know what I'm saying, with the black laces, but I haven't seen nobody lace swap these. No, nobody lace swap these yet. But me, you know what I'm saying? I like to be a little different. The reason I did the lace swap because I was like, let me see what they look like with the white laces. Yes sir, I did the white laces. Even though normally with Nike Dunks, you know what I'm saying, certain laces be too long, too short. So I made it work with the white laces, you know, they was longer than the actual black laces on the Nike Dunks. Because they don't come with any sets of laces. They only come with the black was on the shoe. I just got a whole shoebox full of laces. So I got some pair of white laces. I was like, let me know what, let me go ahead and put them in these Nike Dunks. I ain't gonna lie to you, they look way better. You know what I'm saying? It might change our perception on this shoe. I grabbed them because I like the colorway. You know what I'm saying? They're different. They're graffiti and the box is fire too. So I'm like, you know what? These ain't bad. You know, I don't care too much for boxes as much, but this box is bad. This box is fire for real. Like, this box is heat. So I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and pick them up. Got them from retail as well too. So it's like win-win situation. Actually, I got them at Hibbett. And I had a little discount. I got it for $30 off. So I got the Dunks for retail. Under retail for about $90. I taxed like $97 because the retail was $110, I believe. So caught a win-win situation on the shoe, man. So not too bad at all. But like I said, we got our own in-hand review of this shoe. So make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Make sure you follow me all platforms down below. My TikTok, my Twitter, Instagram, all that good stuff down below. I would greatly appreciate it. But not further ado, man, let's go and get the video. You heard me venting early in the video. We're gonna get straight to the shoe. So not further ado, let's go get the shoe out, man. Oh snap! Almost fell. It almost fell over, but here go the box. They call it graffiti, so you can see the box already. You get graffiti vibes already with the Nike swoosh. You know what I'm saying? That's the paper, by the way, so that's not the Nike swoosh, but that's fire. It's like a whole punch for the Nike swoosh. Super heat, super fire. Got Nike in some type of graffiti way. Got that personal size 11.5 right there. You know what I'm saying? Got a little more graffiti on the back of the box, a little bit more. Super fire, super heat. But it said Graffiti Dunk Low Retro PRM, black, some in white, 11.5. Like I said, retail price was $110 around that range, so got $30 off, $20, $30 off, something like that. But got it for retail, man. But let's go get this lace swap shoe out right here. These Nike Dunks. Bang! Here they go, man. The Nike Dunk Low Graffiti joints, man.
Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all. Keep going up when I'm watching you fall. You really not hard, you niggas just soft. I made my own calls, I don't got a boss. Your Bentley is rented, can't handle the cost. A lot on my plate, I just can't take a loss. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the...
Like I said, I lace swapped them. It look 10 times better. I don't have one with the black laces, but these look 10 times better than the actual with the black. No lie, they pop out the shoe, pop out the colors on the shoe, so it's like can't complain, can never go wrong with it. But got the shoe out. Just look at them. You can't tell me that look far away look way better. Even close up, it's like, oh yeah, them heat. Got, like I said, the colorway of them. You can wear a lot of stuff with this shoe, and I like them a lot. And I love black outsoles as well. You see the outsole. I love black outsoles, love them, especially on Jordan 1s or any type, like any dark soles. I could wear it so many times you won't even know what I'm saying. So fire. We go, man. The Nike Dunk Below Graffiti joints. Comment down below, man. Let me know y'all pick these up, or you know what I'm saying, you just like I passed on it because, you know what I'm saying, resale, or you know what I'm saying, not to be funny with that, but for real though, like I said, I picked them up because I actually like the color. I actually like this shoe, and I like Nike Dunks as well. And no, ain't nothing wrong gonna get Nike Dunks for retail, something that you like as well. So it's like, you can't follow everybody else, dude. Set your own trend. But anyway, let's go talk about the shoe, man. You got your black outsole right here. The whole outsole is black. Go along the midsole here, you got your white midsole. So the whole upper of the shoe is like a canvas material. Only part that is leather will be this black Nike swoosh. The Nike swoosh is 3M, by the way, in case y'all didn't know. That's the only part on the shoe that it is basically leather, but the whole rest of the shoe is like a canvas type of material. Something I don't know about is if I rip this material off of here, you know what I'm saying, will it come off? I don't know, we'll see about it. But so the shoe, you can tell close up, the shoes is different color wise. So this is the right shoe right here, you know what I'm saying, right on this is the left shoe. So the patterns will be different, it won't be the same on the exact same shoe. So like right here, boom, you can tell the patterns are very, very different, which is very unique and creative, by the way. I like that as well. So it's like more of like a pink, well, I say pink, purple, green, and of course you got black in there. So pink, purple, and green is the majority on the shoe. Like I said, it's graffiti, so just being a little different and unique. I like that a lot. So Nike tongues is still the same. You got your stitched in Nike Air, and also on the tongue there, it's like a red Nike swoosh with the red outline Nike. On the back of the heels is basically the same as well. Got your stitched in Nike. Come with sets of black laces already on the shoe, but I just lace swapped and put my own white laces in there. Super fire. I like these a lot with the white laces. And on the inside of the shoe, this is the right shoe and this is the left shoe. You can tell by the inside of the shoe, it's very, very different. You got your Nike. And right on the inside of the shoe, y'all can just tell right there. This is very, very different, unique. That's why they call them graffiti. They fire. I like them a lot. Now I might bash you in the comments saying them ugly, whatever, but shoot, I like them. With the lace swap, you can make them 10 times better. So y'all go see what I do this on feed, man. So make sure you like or subscribe if you're new. Hey, let's get this on feed going. Let's get it.
You will only see some real niggas around me. Gang, GVO, that's the family. I'm making classes for the culture like I'm Spike Lee, but I'm trying to be a legend like I'm Stan Lee. I do the most for my people when I show it. I'm never stopping, dedicated, and they know it. I used to really write the lines like I'm a poet. They say that shit ain't for me, so I stole it. I only rap for my fam. Who do you think that I am? The ball in my court, so I cram. On fire like NBA Jam. I don't think that you understand. Somebody come get they mans. You stumble and fumble your lines, man. I think it's wise if you sit in the stands.
I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad, I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad, I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, 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 I'm with the gang, 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 gang.
Yes, sir. I'm back from my own feet. Hey, with the lace swap with these, fire. I don't care what y'all say in the comments, or whoever shared this, say them ugly with the white laces. Still, I don't care. These is fire. I like these a lot with the white laces, bro. That's just my humble opinion. It's my opinion, you know what I'm saying? You can like it, dislike it, whatever. But these fire with the white laces. Like I said, it come with black laces already on the shoe. I just, like I said, put my own unique taste to it, put some white laces in there, so it won't be too bad, nothing too crazy, but definitely fire. Size run Nike Dunks. Normally I always tell people go true to size or a half size up. Preferably, recently I've been going a half size up in my Nike Dunks. Now I'm going to sit here and lie to y'all. 11.5 is, then they're way better than the 11s. So size run Nike Dunks. I always tell people go a half size up. Majority of the time, true to size. Be cool enough, like that snug fit, but you like a little room in your shoes, go a half size up. I've been going a half size up in Nike Dunks lately, because usually my old Nike Dunks, the certain ones that I have in my collection, I got 11. But lately I've been picking up 11.5s, and they fit a little better than the size 11s. So that's what I'm telling y'all now. Go a half size up. But if you don't care about that snug fit, go and get your true size for sure, man. But that's it for this video, man. Like and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing love support as always, man. Follow me on TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, all that good stuff down below. Y'all have a blessed one. Catch another video, man. Gerald1 is out. Peace.